Unleash the power of fundability. What is fundability? Fundability is your business's ability to get funding. You can make it harder or easier for your business to get money. A lot of the power is in your hands. Let's look at your business website. Credit providers will research your company online. It's best if they learn everything straight from your company website. Not having either will undercut your business's fundability. Use places like templatemonster.com and upwork.com and get a site up cheap and fast. You need a professional website. Buy a domain from a place like GoDaddy. Your domain should be your business name if possible. Let's look at your business email. You need a company email address for your business. This email must be on the same domain as your website. Use a professional email address such as yourname@yoursite.com. This usually comes with a website domain provider such as GoDaddy. Do not use Yahoo, AOL, Gmail, Hotmail, or similar kinds of email. Let's look at your business licenses. Contact state, county, and city government offices to see if there are any required licenses and permits to operate your type of business. Do not apply for funding if you are unlicensed. Verify that main agencies, state, IRS, bank, and 411 National Directory have your business listed the same way and with your exact legal name. Make sure every bill you get, power bill, phone bill, landlord, etc., has the business name listed right and comes to the business address. Get set up with the business credit reporting agencies. Go to DNB's website and look for your business, dnb.com/DUNS-number. Can't find it? Then get a free DUNS number. A DUNS number is how DNB gets your company into their system to generate a Paydex score. A DUNS number plus payment experiences leads to a Paydex score. Once you are in DNB's system, search Equifax and Experience sites for your business. You can do so at creditsuite.com/reports. Another ID number is the BIN number from Experian. BIN stands for Business Identification Number. Experian's BizSource assigns a BIN. A business must be listed with the reporting agencies. This is necessary to establish business credit. You can also be denied funding if you don't have a credit score. You can also get a denial with a low credit score with DNB, Experian, or Equifax. Let's look at your business and the Small Business Finance Exchange. The SBFE is a business data agency. SBFE members have a give-get relationship. Members of the SBFE supply data related to credit issued by them, including payment history. Certified vendors like Dun & Bradstreet use this data to create credit products. These products are for distribution of SBFE members only. This is one data source used by Dun & Bradstreet. Doing business with SBFE members ensures more complete information is available for your business. Let's look at your business credit history. Get the most favorable funding by paying all bills on time. This means a Paydex score of 80 and an Equifax credit risk score of 90 or better. A good FICO SBSS score will be driven in part by on-time payments and business credit history. For Experian, historical behavior, payment history, accounts for 5 to 10% of total score. How well does your company pay its outstanding invoices? How has your business's payment performance changed over time? Let's look at your business information and congruency. Keep all records consistent. CRAs and creditors look at everything, so it had better match, or you'll get a denial due to fraud. That's how lenders interpret inconsistencies. Your business name, address, phone, and fax number, all of your business information must look the same in these places like the IRS and Secretary of State records, business records with Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax, and more. When it comes to your incorporation documents, copy and paste this information. Do not chance it with retyping. Let's look at your personal financials and personal credit history. Personal credit quality is often helpful for getting funding. So if personal credit is not in order, get it straightened out and improve it. For a business loan at a conventional bank, you need good personal, business, and bank credit. While you want to build good business credit, having good personal credit can get you started. Good personal credit will open doors, and it will open them earlier. Good personal credit is helpful. It's a great way to get unsecured business funding. These report to the business CRAs, not the personal CRAs. You don't need proof of cash flow or collateral. You don't need to fulfill a time and business requirement. They don't look or care about cash flow. All that matters is personal credit. You need quality credit with no derogatory reporting. Do you want to try for an SBA loan? Then you will need to have good personal credit. Let's recap. Take control of how likely it is your business will get money, how fundable it is. Having a proper business address, phone and fax numbers, website, and email are vital. Setting up your business with the IRS and getting an EIN and choosing a corporate entity are all important. Get set up with the business CRA so you can start building a record, and the best record comes from paying your bills on time. Your personal credit quality and financials play a part. And keep your records congruent so lenders can find out everything they need to know about your business. Contact us today to learn more about how to unleash the power of fundability.